Week we covered standard algorithm for multiplication using one-digit by multi-digit numbers. So the first one we are going to try out is 5 times 48. Standard algorithm, of course, it's not using the dots over on the side, so I'm going to line up the numbers vertically. Really big just because I have reviewed using the arrows for students, and of course we don't need to use arrows, but it's just a good way to practice and making sure that the numbers are being multiplied by all of the numbers. So we start down at the bottom. This single digit will need to multiply to each of the numbers up on that top row. So 5 times 8 is 40. Same way when we add and the numbers get bigger, we have to carry the number over to the next place value, so into the tens place. That 4 is going to move on over, so 40. And here are the arrows. And then 5 has to visit the 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. And whenever we carry, we know that we add. So 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4. 24. Our answer is 240. Students only need to show the work with the numbers that they are carrying. They do not need to show work with arrows. Number 2, we also tried and practiced with numbers that had 3 digits. So if we were to say 3 times 152, the bigger number goes first. Once again, just making it extra big so that the arrows can be added in. Times 3. That bottom digit has to visit all of the numbers up on that top row. Some students are also still currently using the train tracks to help keep their numbers aligned, which is fine. So 3 times 2 first, 6. 3 times 5, 15, carry the 1, and then 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Our answer is 456.